People are crazy right now. Oop. Ooh, that's big. That's big. Oh, I just grabbed it. That's a nice one. This one hiding, but I'm not paying attention. Hey guys, it's Kumbo. Thank you for tuning in. I got a lot of people texting me or messaging me, stating that they have a hard time catching smallie in Rocky River at this time of year, especially in August. And this is August 30, and I'm here. I'm trying to catch some smallie at this time of year. Possibly might be steelhead too, okay? But I'm going to be using Kumbo Double Rig. When I'm using Kumbo Double Rig, I'm going to be using 2-inch mermaid tail and a live wax worm. Hoping I will catch a few so that I can upload this video tomorrow on August 31st. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna start from first, okay? I know the water kind of shallow, but there's a deep pool around here and here. I'm gonna target that dark spot there, okay? And then I'm gonna walk all the way down to the place right over there. Then I walk back up, and my last stop is gonna be bam, right there, okay? So stay tuned to see the catches. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with this spot here. Maybe 5-6 minutes, and if not biting, I'm gonna walk all the way down to another spot, hoping will land me a few bass for August 31st video guys. So this is how I hook my worm, okay? And this first bait to use in this video, I might be switching to different double rig, maybe different colors on the mermaid tail. I can try to catch crayfish, a whole bunch of them around here. There's a lot, okay? But no, we'll try this first, okay? See what happens. All right, let's see. Hope I don't get snagged, get stuck in the bottom. Because I'm tired of like those dark area, like a really dark spot. Sometimes they hang around that spot there. The fishes guy, maybe not a big one, maybe a small one, you know, but you never know. There might be a big one just sitting there waiting for the crappie tube. I mean the crappie tube. Waiting for there might be a big one waiting for mermaid tail lure. See, what's that thing? Something try to bite. Could be creek chop, could be bluegill. See the deepest pool right there. Okay. Any fish could be a happy man, okay? I don't care if it's a big bass or small bass. Any fish, steelhead, trout, whatever you call it, or sturgeon, I'm gonna be a happy man if they bite. So not looking good. First long drift, okay. Where the fish at probably? Come on, fish on, come on. Alright guys, so you don't want to stay too long when the water is this low and clear. You want to move to some spot, okay? Hoping that we'll be landing a fish over there. Alright, that's it guys. I'm going to be moving. Oh, there's a lot of crayfish guys. A lot of them. I'm going to try to catch it right at the uses for bait. Maybe tomorrow. It's too late now. Alright, so centipede come up next guy. One last cast on this, and then I'm gonna be throw centipede in there. Then head back to Rock Cliff. Alright, one last cast on the double rig. No response on the spot here. So there's some nibbling there, but I don't know what it is. Could be small fish there. I know they're in there, but how did they get the bite? That's all. Alright, centipede coming in. Stay tuned. Boom. Get my rod. Switch the new rod to the Here we go, there we go, here we go. Fish on. Ooh! See, my look. Told you. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of them. The mama got stuck now. Alright, first down on the back swim. Told you guys had to know what you're doing. This time of year, back swim might be best. But they're using double rig though. They're chasing some coochie. Alright, so stay tuned. Let me get you out of this part. There. Rocking. Oh, it's heavy, it's heavy. Told you. Oh, they're all on the back swim, guys, so not bad this time. Bigger than before. Yeah, look at that. Getting bigger now. Yeah, nice and clean though. Oh, Billy, how come? Oh, come on. So we were fishing waxworm. Alright, number 2 on the waxworm. Woohoo! Finally found them over here. Woohoo! Number 3, guys. Number 3. What can I say? They go for only waxworm. Oh, damn, this fish is tough. Stay still. I don't want to rip your mouth open, okay? I'm trying to just hold it, and my finger will support your body so that your mouth not widely open. So I don't want to break your jaw, okay? Just stay still. Not a bad day. Here we go. What? Oh. That's not a steelhead. That's smallmouth. That's heavy. Ooh, that's a rock bass. Ooh, that's big bluegill. Wow, yappy yo, yappy yay. I tell you, you cannot catch fish like today. This is a slab crappie, guys. I mean crappie, bluegills. Just stay still, we'll go. You fight like I thought was like a baby steelhead to me. So it's my thumb is fitting in the mouth. I mean, this is good to keep. I ain't keep today. Whenever I'm using Kumbo Double Rig, I'm using this double rig to target the bottom feeding and also ambush. 1, top water feeding. Number 2, ambush. Number 3 is bottom feeding, because all fish are not swim at the same depth. So double rig, you can be use it to target the fish in different depths. This Kumbo Double Rig can be used to target fish that are swimming in different depths in the water. Steelhead. Crappie. There's only one left in it, probably. Now the time coming from Anna. Gonna go a lot deeper. Watch this. Now it's time to. Deeper. I'm gonna go past that thing right there and watch this. Watch the lobster bite. Okay. Watch the lobster. Here we go. I told you. Fish on again. I told you. Lobster. Ooh, that's Steelhead.
Yeah, it was.
No, it was smallmouth. Really? It looked like small. I don't know. Look like baby Steelhead though.
Yeah, it looked like a smoke.
Yeah. Right out, look. Alright. Right out. Up. Bite, two bites, and then keep going. You could go like she bite crazy right now. Oop. Ooh, that's big. That's big. That's big. I don't know. Put pop, maybe small. That is big. I don't know. Maybe, possibly. Maybe. Oh.
Steelhead or catfish?
I don't know. Maybe catfish. Steelhead. I don't know. Maybe cat. I don't know. It look like shiny one. Let me see.
Oh. Under the bridge?
That is not looking good. What's that? Catfish or steelhead? Oh. What's that? What's that?
I don't know.
What's that? Oh, that was smallmouth. Oh, nice one. Nice one on the back swim, guy. Oh, is that grab it? That's a nice one. This one hiding. But I'm not paying attention. Bang. Always. Oh, Billy hook. Billy hook. See it? Billy hook. Grab it. On mini tube. On the mini tube. Oh, guys, look at it. I thought it was on the back swim. Look at that guy. Look at this. Okay. And I think this is a nice one though. Real nice. Sexy. This has been clean. Never caught before. I'm the first one on the mini tube. I told you guys don't mess with Kumbo mini tube. Just play with you guys. I mean they bite it, don't right. But I thought it was Steelhead the way it fight. But Steelhead mostly don't pull into come on. I don't want to, just making sure. Oh, that's messed up though. It's the hook just, God. The hook went out and then twist it. Come on. That's not looking good. Look at this mermaid too, guys, because I'm trying to take it out of there, but oh, I see. All right. Here.
God damn. You gotta come out alright.